Dangal greetings. So, ito po yung comment sheet namin. So, lahat ng may check dyan is yung tapos na, and then yung wala pa, ayun yung ginawa namin ngayon. And each of our member will discuss the following. So, ito po yung una, yung auto-suggest of available hydrants outside the 300-meter radius based on time, distance, and traffic condition. And then next is improve the UI when showing directions across different screen size. Sa auto-suggest of available hydrants, ayan, based on time, distance, and traffic condition siya. And then sa showing directions naman, since last time, nasabi na din namin sa inyo po, sir, na yung directions po is based na lang po dun sa pinalit naming API. Dangal greetings, I am Joy L. Balsomo. So, ito po is dun sa comment na auto-suggest of available hydrants outside 300-meter radius based on time, distance, and traffic condition, and then yung showing directions across different screen size. So, based po sa last time na comment nyo, sir, about sa directions is pinakonsult na po namin. Mababago po siya since nagbago po kami ng API. So, first, ito po. Ito yung mga hydrants within Cabuyao, tapos ito naman yung location natin. Ayan. So, currently, nandito tayo sa Don Vicente. And then, ito yung location niya. Yung naka-red. So, for example, ito, dito sa map makikita nyo is yung bago niya is may mga lines na green, red, and orange. Green indication siya kapag smooth lang yung traffic, red kapag sobrang traffic, and then moderate kapag orange. So, based sa Here API, ang traffic lang po is within highway or sa main road. Sa mga subdivisions or villages, wala po siya. So, for example, magsasearch tayo ng San Isidro. Based po dun sa comment sheet is outside radius within, outside 300-meter radius. So, ito po yung pinaka-point ng San Isidro, and then makikita nyo dyan na may hydrant na pinamakalapit sa kanya. So, based sa comment, ito is for outside ng radius. Kasi, for example, hindi naman available yung hydrant na yon. Magsasuggest siya ng pinakamalapit, and then naka-base na din to sa traffic conditions na meron ang ating API. So, for example, ito. Nakalocate siya ng found hydrant outside the 300-meter radius. Ayan. And then, itong blue, which is, ito po yung route from your location to that location. So, dito, naka-indicate siya na may red, green, and then red. So, sa pagkuha nito is, nakaano tayo, yung routing type natin is fastest now type, which is features ng ating API na naka-indicate na po doon kung maglalabas siya ng route, pinakamalapit na route, and then ayun na po yung pinaka-suggested niya based sa time, distance, and then sa traffic. So, kapag kasi nag-iba tayo ng ruta dito, mas malayo. So, ito na talagang pinaka-request niya at ito yung unang ruta. I mean, isang ruta papunta dun sa location na to hanggang dun sa San Isidro. So, next is mag-get tayo ng get tayo ng direction dito naman sa may ito. Sa hydrant na to, mag-get tayo ng direction. Halos same lang din. Pag nag-get ka ng direction, makakakita ka ng itong, and then wala na siyang nalabas na katulad nung dati na nakaharang dito sa may screen. Baligin niya na siya. Ayun lang po. Thank you.
There should be a way to generate the repair history of a per hydrant as basis for recommendation. And based po doon sa last comment nyo po, Sir Janus, kailangan may sariling maintenance history table lang at makapag-generate po siya ng report. Dangal greetings, Sir Janus. I'm Melvin Dijoso, and now I'm going to present one of the requirements in the comment list. And there should be a way to generate the Reaper history of a hydrant as a basis for recommendation. So here, let's start to tingnan muna natin yung maintenance. So ito yung mga maintenance record natin na mapupunta naman doon sa ating maintenance history. So ito yung ating maintenance history, which is dito na lumabas yung mga na request na for maintenance and ilang beses siya na ini-request. First one is yung hydrant number is yung sa tatlong beses siya na ulit. Then ito yung mga reasons niya, and then kung kaninong team siya naka-assign. And then yung hydrant number din natin na 20 and 106. So dito pwede natin siyang i-generate na ng PDF file. So as you can see, ito yung laman ng ating PDF, which is yung history niya, then yung maintenance report details kung ilang beses siya na ulit, then yung analysis natin, which is yung hydrant number with 3 requests should be under investigation because of the frequent maintenance. So that's all. Thank you.
The system should be capable of identifying and displaying the homepage based on the type of user. Based po sa comment sheet nyo po last time, dapat kapag nag-change password, kapag bago po ang account, automatic magla-log out. Mga greetings, I'm Aaron J. Diaz, and ito po yung nakalagay sa comment sheet. The system should be capable of identifying and displaying the homepage based on the type of user. Dito po gagawa po tayo, mag-create po tayo ng account. Position responder. Yan po. So mag-login po tayo. Dito po pag nag-login po tayo, automatically may mag-notif na change password. Change password. Save password. Pagka-save po natin, automatically po siyang magla-log out.
The fire hydrant should be able to become dynamic, adding and removing from the map. So, ang comment dito ni Sir Janus is, kapag newly added yung fire hydrant, magiging green yung fire hydrant sa map, and then, kapag naman, after 1 month, it was created, the map will turn blue. Dangal greetings, I'm Ayhan Amigtine. I'm going to present the comment, which is the fire hydrant should be able to become dynamic, adding and removing from the map. So, for example, meron dito newly added na fire hydrant, which is naka-green siya here at Marinig. And then, for example, kinreate na yung hydrant 1 month. So, kailangan maging blue siya. So, let's see kung magiging blue siya. Edit natin yung date niya. For example, ginawa siya noong last month, which is December 12, 2022. So, kailangan mag-appear sa map na nagiging blue na yung color niya. Since created na siya 1 month ago. Let's see kung mag-a-appear na blue na siya. So, as you can see, ito na siya. So, The hydrant will turn blue after creating it 1 month. So, kapag newly added naman siya, it will turn green. That's all. Thank you.